Have you ever pondered over the possibility of teleportation? Imagine a future where you could travel from Paris to Tokyo in the blink of an eye. Quantum Micro Wormhole Transportation could make this audacious idea a reality, revolutionizing the way we perceive space and time. Our journey begins with the Quantum Micro Wormhole Transportation theory. This theory utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics and general relativity to create a mathematical model for transporting matter through micro wormholes. This model, known as the matter transportation mechanism, forms the backbone of our theoretical framework. Next, we must ensure the stability and integrity of these wormholes. Using quantum field theory, we can develop methods to stabilize micro wormholes, thus making them safe for transport. Once we have stable wormholes, we need to create and stabilize transportation nodes. These nodes, created through quantum algorithms, are the entry and exit points of our transportation system. Safety, as always, is paramount, and therefore, we must design quantum safety protocols to protect these nodes. Our next challenge is the design of the Quantum Micro Wormhole Transportation Vehicle. This vehicle must integrate with the micro wormholes and ensure the safety of passengers and cargo. Quantum mechanics and engineering principles guide us in this complex design process. Finally, we reach the operational aspects of the Quantum Micro Wormhole Transportation Network. Quantum algorithms help us in real-time routing and scheduling, as well as in network maintenance and monitoring. This roadmap isn't just a plan, it's a beacon for researchers, engineers, and policymakers. It provides a comprehensive guide to leveraging the McGinty equation and developing a quantum micro wormhole transportation system. The potential impact of this technology is profound. It could change the way we travel, the way we transport goods, even the way we think about distance and time. But with great power comes great responsibility. It also highlights the need for ethical guidelines, robust safety measures, and international regulations to ensure the technology is used for the betterment of humanity. In conclusion, quantum micro wormhole transportation could be the next giant leap for mankind. It's not just a sci-fi concept anymore. It's a scientific ambition that could redefine our world. The future is closer than we think, and it's looking quite exciting.